Pez. I'm taking a video again. How are you? Pedro, stop acting like a kid. You're not a kid. You're an adult. Joke. What's just joking? Hi, mommy. So we're here in Tropical Hut fast food here in Makati City, and that's Pedro's fingers. Those are Pedro's fingers. Yes.
Oh.
Siyempre. Dito tayo sa counter. So we'll take a video of the age lined up in the record. O, sasabihin ko nga eh. I almost forgot. I can't say the name or the word. Here's there's Grace, she's going now. And there's the very cute Bea. Hi, Bea. Bea, pa-cute ka naman dyan. Uy! That's Marianne, she's ordering her food. Okay? So what did you order, Bea? Secret. Ano ba yan? Pork tapa. So that's what we call pork tapa. That's a Filipino food, huh? Right?
27.
Baka gusto mo naman ako i-video, Marian. Hawakan mo lang.
So, nakaganito lang ako. Eh, kasi gusto mo sa'yo lang eh. Wow.
I just borrowed this money. I borrowed it.
Mami!
Ayaw yung order.
Ayaw. Nangingigi ko yung food.
Ha?
Nangingigi ko yung food.
Yung food. Ko, ang camera siya ayaw magpakuha Ano bang orderin ko?
Wala sugar.
What did you order? Corned beef?
Yeah,
Pangit. Dito ako sa likod mo para Okay, it's my turn.
Wait.